Welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. With more American investors eyeing Jamaica's real estate market, experts say more rental properties could soon be listed in the U.S. currency. But with many Jamaicans already struggling to find affordable homes for rent in the city, how would that impact the market? Kalisha Williams has that story.
Real estate websites show many 3 to 5 bedroom houses in Kingston and St. Andrew being rented for between $3,000 to $6,500 per month, depending on the community. While on the lower scale, some 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom apartments are being rented for about $800 to $1,800 per month. And for many Jamaicans, the price as well as the currency is a big issue.
You have a market-driven service where you own your property, none of us, no realtor or nobody is going to come to you and say, no, you can't list it or you can't be asking US currency for it. That's up to you, that's up to the market. You still have a number of persons that do that, and the properties, to use the analogy, fly off the shelf fast.
However, Second Vice President of the Realtors Association of Jamaica, Roger Allen, further explained why most homeowners are renting properties in US dollars.
The same basket of goods that I bought in January and I paid $10,000 for it, what am I paying now in the middle of April for the same basket of goods? And the persons will tell you, oh, we're paying 11, maybe close to 12,000. So, they're looking at the value of the currency over time being whittled away.
One of the reasons is the fact that some of the persons who have invested are not living in Jamaica. And so, for whatever reason, they're using it as an investment, but they're offshore investors. So it's foreign direct investment, and for that reason, they're asking US dollars.
And as more U.S. investors look to invest in Jamaica's real estate market, more rental properties could soon be quoted in U.S. currency. However, realtors are assuring Jamaicans that there will not be any real challenges in the market as homeowners remain flexible.
Even though it's listed in US dollars, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to pay. There are times that we list a property in US dollars, 1,000 US, 800 US or whatever, and persons asked to pay in Jamaican and ask that the price is pinned to the Jamaican exchange.
The real estate experts were speaking at the recent International Real Estate Conference in Montego Bay, St. James. Kalisha.
Most categories of fuel are going up this week. Effective Thursday, a liter of 87 gasoline will sell for $2.74 more. $2.76 will be added to each liter of 90 gasoline. Diesel will increase by 15 cents, while 3 cents will be added to each liter of ultra-low sulfur diesel. 19 cents will, however, be cut off the cost of kerosene. Propane will drop by 77 cents, while butane will cost 54 cents less. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says Jamaica earned billions of dollars in taxes from the sector in 2023. While giving a breakdown of earnings in his sectoral presentation on Tuesday, the minister said the $20 US contribution per visitor raked in more than 9 billion Jamaican dollars last year.
Our departure tax, 103.5 million US or 16 billion Jamaican dollars. Airport improvement fees, 4.6 billion. Airline passenger levy, 9.2 billion. Passengers fees and charges, 11 billion. GAT, which is the room tax, 3.6 billion. A total direct revenue flow straight into the Council Fund of $345.8 million US dollars or 53.6 billion Jamaican dollars.
The Jamaican dollar lost 29 cents against the U.S. currency at the close of trading on Wednesday. Trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.19. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.70. $195.05 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $169.83. And we now go to the stock market. The JSE index gained 415 points today, while the junior market lost 30 points. Among the 46 winners, Stanley Motor, Mayberry Group, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Blue Power Group, and Everything Fresh. The 44 losers were led by Berger Paints Jamaica, CAC 2000, JPS 7%, and Paramount Trading Jamaica, as well as Access Financial Services. 17 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the business day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.